development of Ghana and Africa as a whole. And in the conclusion of the book, I made the point that Africa and Ghana has to get ready for the digital revolution. This was 14 years ago. I said we have to put in place all the structures to fully participate in the digital revolution that was coming. Because we missed the first industrial revolution. We missed the second industrial revolution. We missed the third industrial revolution, and we should not miss the fourth industrial revolution, which is a digital revolution. And I said we should have a mindset of possibilities. For any country to transform, you need to believe yourselves. You need to believe that it is possible to do better than even the advanced countries in the world. And so, when we came into office, I set about putting what I had written many years ago in my book into practice, to put in place all the fundamental pillars of the digital revolution. The first pillar and the most critical pillar of the digital revolution is the digital identity. We have it here as the Ghana card. I knew right from the beginning that we had to move quickly to issue the Ghana card because it was very, very important in where we were going. Many people did not see the importance of it, and we moved very quickly. Today, Ghana has issued Ghana cards for over 85% of the adult population. Almost 18 million Ghana cards. Today, European Union, EU, has asked all its countries to issue the equivalent of the Ghana card by 2030. EU. We are ahead of many of the EU countries. The United States of America is only now discussing issuing the equivalent of a Ghana card to their citizens. This is the United States of America. But Ghana card, and we are one of the few countries in Africa that has done the digital identity card like the Ghana card, and we are one of the best at it. Today, the Ghana card is now being issued not only to babies who are born, but also the birth certificate is issued, the number is issued at the same time. Today, if you give birth to a child in a hospital in Ghana and you take the child for weigh-in, at the weigh-in, you can get that child the Ghana card number and the birth certificate number at the same time. At the same time. As far as I know, we are the only country in the whole world where that happens, that you can get these two IDs at the same time. Integrated the NIA database with the Ghana Health Service database with the births and deaths registry. I know for sure we are the only country in Africa that does it, but I'm also sure that we are the only country in the world, and I will look for any evidence to contradict that view. But it tells you that what we are doing, even in Abuchiri, they are not yet doing it. We are making it possible. When we came into office, only 4% of Ghana's adult population had tax identification numbers. Only 4%. When we issued the Ghana card, I said, make the Ghana card number the tax identification number. And immediately we did that, the proportion of the adult population with tax identification numbers went up from 4% to 85% immediately. Just think about it. Between independence and 2019, we only had 4%. And within 1 year, we've moved from 4% to 85%. The Ghana today is linked to your SNIT number. It is your SNIT number. It is your National Health Insurance number. And we are using it to stop corruption in the area of ghost workers. There are no more fake IDs in this context because your Ghana card is your foundational ID. If you go and try to cheat on your age, the Ghana card will catch you. Because of the